Understanding, roughing it, an English idiom explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, roughing it. This idiom is commonly used in everyday English, and understanding its meaning can really enrich your language skills. Let's dive in and find out what roughing it is all about. Roughing it refers to living in a way that is more basic and less comfortable than what one is used to. This phrase often implies a temporary situation where modern conveniences are absent. It's typically used when someone is staying in a place without the luxuries of home, like during camping or in a remote location. The term roughing it originated from the idea of having a rough experience, where rough means basic or primitive. Historically, it was used to describe the experiences of explorers or travelers who had to live in challenging conditions without modern comforts. Let's see how to use this phrase in different sentences. 1. We went camping in the mountains and really roughed it, with no electricity or running water. 2. The power outage meant we were roughing it at home for a few days. 3. I love the challenge of roughing it in the wilderness and getting back to nature. When using roughing it, be careful not to confuse it with simply having a difficult time. It specifically relates to living in less comfortable conditions by choice or necessity, not just facing hardships. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use the phrase, roughing it, confidently in your English conversations. Remember, idioms like this add color and depth to your language skills. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.